Hi guys, Anton here. For those of you that don't know me, I'm the founder of the Empire Wealth Property Group that owns and operates more than 20 businesses in the property industry. Now, all my businesses were funded from my own portfolio that I built from scratch. I went from having about 3 properties and working at a car wash on weekends to cover my holding costs to now owning multiple residential, student, commercial and mixed-use properties, plus currently developing about R500 million in property projects, and all of this in a short space of a few years. Now, the single biggest thing that has contributed to my success was the knowledge and skills that I've developed. And what I've come to learn is there's a lot of information and noise out there that doesn't help you at all. And if you want to get like any type of property education, you literally need to pay thousands for workshops and for coaching. So what I'm doing to share my knowledge and skills is I'm developing the Property Investors Academy, which will be a video-driven online platform that you can join for only 97 Rand a month, and where you can access the knowledge and skills that I and some of the other property experts in the industry have developed. So what I would like to know is, what is your number one question about property investment? And this will enable me to serve you to the best of my ability by creating high impact videos to answer your biggest questions. So what you can do is you can answer this question at the just below this video, and to say thank you for your time and for your input. Once we launch the academy, I'll give you access to the Property Investors Academy free for 30 days once you complete the question below. And I've also included a free bonus that you can access right now. It's amazing what you can achieve with property investment if you've got access to the right knowledge and information at the right time. So don't delay, complete the question below, and I'll see you inside.